I've waited so long to do this. I'm finally able to bleach my roots. So certain things have been happening the last few weeks, quite a lot of drama, lots of stuff that has basically made me unable to keep up to date with my hair, you know, bleach my roots. So this video I'm going to be bleaching my roots. I'm going to be showing you, I've actually taken out a few rows of my dreadlocks. I ended up cutting my hair a few weeks ago and completely regretted it, so now I'm waiting for it to grow back again, which should take about 6 months for me to have the hair that I cut off. But anyway, so as you can see, my roots regrowth is shocking, absolutely shocking. So I do have a few rows of dreadlocks at the back of my head, and then the front is all loose hair. So I have the bleach here. If you guys are wondering where I get the bleach from, I actually managed to find a supplier that sells it cheaper than what I normally get it for, and they also do free shipping, which is awesome. So if you want to know where I get my bleach from for the Blondme range, then I'll put it in the video description box for you. I'm not sponsored at all, but I just thought it was a really good deal and I had to share it with you, so I'm just that nice. Okay, so I'm going to start at the back of my head first. So by the time I get to the front, it will all process about the same sort of stage, because the front of my head always processes quicker because it's hotter and the hairs are finer. So we're going to start at the back, I'm going to start at the bottom, work up in sections, and then get to the front, and it should take me about 20 minutes. Let's see. Alright, let's do it. I'm just so happy to be doing this again. When you haven't done it for a while, it just feels like, because it's my favourite thing to do, I don't know, I just feel kind of boring. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh my god, I'm nervous at the same time. Sweaty. I can't believe how like chunky they are. It's about 2 inches of brown, like, to see so much of my natural hair colour. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle. I've finished the back section now, so I'm just going to work on my loose hair. It's pretty easy with the dreadlocks because it's already kind of sectioned, so you just kind of pull it apart. But now I'm going to work on the front, so I'm going to start kind of in the middle, my parting, and just section that and brush it on. I can't believe I cut my hair, I'm so gutted. Why did I do that? Every time I cut my hair I just regret it afterwards, like no! So how long have we been going for? 10 minutes, haha! I said I was going to do it in 20 minutes. Got 10 minutes left. So I'm just like sectioning it completely in half, as you can see. Yes, I've been wanting to do this for so long. So I'm also going to make you guys an update video separately, because so much has been going on. I just wanted to kind of put it in a separate video because I'll just end up going on and the video will be way too long. I am going to update you and let you know what sort of things have been going on, because it's just been so chaotic. But nothing we can't handle. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not wearing gloves because I've done this so many times. I'm like an expert. And I'm saving the gloves for when I'm actually going to dye my hair, because I don't want to get hair out on my nails. And I've only got one set of gloves, okay, just letting you know. But if you've seen my previous hair dyeing videos, you know I don't necessarily need gloves because I've been doing this like every week of my life. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle. Okay, so my camera cut off. I don't know how far it went until it cut off, but I've done this side of my head so far. From the back, I just got this bit to go, and I've used quite a lot of bleach, to be honest. I don't know if I need to mix some more, but we'll see. should be alright. But I just have such a big section of roots that it's better to have a lot of bleach. I think I'm gonna mix some more bleach, just a little bit. Okay, there we go. And the lighting has suddenly got so much better now, like halfway through the video, so I'm sorry. I'm like sat in front of the window and I got my box light on as well, but it's never enough because during the day it goes away. That's just, I didn't intend that to rhyme. Okay, good. I just got this bit to go. You can see it's already starting to turn orange. Once I've finished doing all of my head, I'm going to go through and just see if I've missed any bits, and then we'll leave it to process. But so close to finishing. Can you guys tell that I'm kind of rushing it? I just want to get it done. I've been looking forward to doing this for so long that I just want to see myself blonde again. That's how it is at the moment. I've had this picture in my head for a while to have blonde going into blue, like ombre, and I just think that would be really pretty and low maintenance for me, because then I just have to keep up the roots and then I can just colour like different coloured ombres. I think would look nice. Yeah, that was the plan. But when you've got like a image in your head and you just want to do it, but then like something's stopping you, it just so yeah, it's been like that for the last few weeks. This is where I like accidentally get bleach on my eyebrow. No, I'm joking, but like imagine that I'll have like a slit. I looked at this eyebrow the other day and it looks like I'm missing a section of hair, and I'm like, what? How did I do that? Did I pull it out? I don't know. But like imagine bleaching like stripes. I wouldn't want to get that in your eye, by the way, and don't do it. But like imagine bleaching stripes in your eyebrow. I'm gonna start a new trend. Boom. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna go around my hairline because that would not be good if you miss a bit on your hairline. So just go over the hairline. I like to leave this last because the hairs are very fine, so they don't need to take so long like this. Okay, I mean it doesn't matter if you go over a little bit because like all of this is baby hair anyway, so you want to have blonde hair, yeah? Cool. I remember like back in the 90s when you used to watch those hairdressing programs, they just bleach everywhere. Bleach. Bleach blonde is fashionable. It's always going to be fashionable. I don't know why people are like bleached hair, so no. It's fashionable. It will be. Always. Right, I'm setting a timer for 40 minutes. Normally I leave it on for 45 minutes, but 40 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and have a look at it. I'm gonna check it and just see if it's the right shade of blonde. So there we go, set a timer. And yeah, I'm gonna just have a look at the back again. There is no like patchy brown in there. It'll be alright, it'll be alright, it'll be alright. This is what happens when I don't do my hair in a very long time. I end up like questioning myself. Like, no. Just do it. I mean, don't be afraid to do it. I mean, I would always give that advice. Don't be afraid to do it, and it's fun at the end of the day, so don't take it too seriously. But I mean, I do want to do a good job, so I can't exactly be like too effusive about it, so yeah. So I do prefer using the 20 volume of Developer, the peroxide. I find when I was using the 30 vol it would process way too quickly, so within 30 minutes my hair would be like white blonde, and it wouldn't necessarily give me enough time to play around with it, to check it, and I felt quite rushed, and it would be almost like a very stressful situation when you're doing bleaching with a higher volume of a peroxide, because then you're scared that your hair's gonna fry and fall out. This always happens to me. This always happens. Alright, okay, so someone started strumming outside. Every time I record a video, like... Alright, okay, anyway, I'm gonna leave it on my head for 40 minutes and I'll get back to you. Alright, see you in a bit. He stopped strumming. The person outside has stopped strumming, so just quickly do a 360. Yeah, and then the loose hair on the top. Cool. What I'm thinking of doing is in the last 10 minutes of the processing time is drag the bleach down further down my hair so we can get that ombre look, because at the moment it is literally bleached roots. So I'm going to try and do that within the last 10 minutes. So yeah, I don't think I have enough bleach. I'll probably mix some more bleach up and then just brush it on the mid-lengths just so we've got like a nice blend. If not, then I'm just going to leave it like this and then go with the flow. So every time I need my roots doing, just bleach them, and then it'll eventually get to that ombre look that I'm looking for. But it kind of is, but I want the blonde to come down to probably about here and then go into the blue. So, but it's always a work in progress. Okay, so I've got about 20 minutes left until I have to wash the bleach out. I put some cotton wool on the top of my head just to help it process a bit, because I don't have any plastic bags or head caps or like, you know, so I just put that on there. And what I wanted to tell you guys is when I wash it out in the shower, I'm going to shampoo it twice just to make sure I've got all the bleach from the dreads, just so there isn't anything left in there, because that wouldn't be good. So shampoo twice, and then I'm going to put the silver shampoo by Schwarzkopf. Now I never know if it's pronounced Schwarzkopf or Schwarzkopf, so either one of those is right. Okay, so I'll just say Schwarzkopf. I also touched up some dot work that was on my arm. I did it with like stick and poke tattoo method, like just like needle and my hand. So I touched some up. Quite pleased with it. Like, I can't believe I did it myself. I was like, but it's good, it turned out good. I think it looks good so far. Okay, so I've got 11 minutes and 22 seconds left on the timer, so I'm going to mix up another batch of bleach and apply it onto my mid-lengths of my hair, so hopefully we get like a nice blend. But I am going to be freshening up the blue so we can get that nice ombre that we're hoping for. Okay, that's mixed up, and I'm going to put it on the rest of my hair. Now, to be honest, because I'm going to, well, I want to kind of like brush it on like this, I should wear gloves. Especially with long nails, if you do get bleach underneath your nail and you don't wash it out, nah, not good. So, alright, I'm just going to wear these gloves for that, but I need to like reuse them, so I'm gonna probably wash them out. Clean the gloves afterwards, I hope, anyway. Oh, I just have to buy some more then. I'm really talkative today. Okay, yeah, they're really small. I actually robbed these ones from the hospital when I was there, so I was like, I need some gloves to dye my hair. Haha, oh look, gloves. Haha. Like, I'm really naughty like that. So, okay, it's got a really lovely shade of blonde, as you can see already. I'm so happy with that. Okay, so we're gonna just brush this on the rest, oh my god, to bring that blue out. I mean, you could also use shampoo mixed with the bleach to make a bleach bath. It's basically the bleach like this mixed half and half, so half bleach and half shampoo. And if you leave that on for about 20 minutes, that can help lift the colour up a little bit, but not completely. It depends how faded the hair colour is. If it's semi-permanent, then it will come out. So we're only going to leave this on for the last 10 minutes, and don't want to leave it on for any more than that, because otherwise it can be quite risky. We left the bleach on way too long. I never leave the bleach on longer than 45 minutes. That's why I came back to check it at the 40-minute mark. So we have some time to just go through and check again, see what needs to be done. It's fading the colour out, definitely, so that's good. I kind of look like, what you said? What? Oh, I've got so much to tell you guys. I'm so like excited to do the update video and let you know what's been going on, because it's just been so much, and it just feels so good to be back on YouTube again. I've missed you so much. Like, God. And I say that with a load of bleach on my head. And you can see that it is a perfect shade of blonde now. So I'm gonna get in the shower, I'm gonna wash it out, shampoo with this purple shampoo, and I'll be back to you. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it went well. It went well. It's not over yet. Not over yet. No, not quite. There's someone outside. have to have the window open because when I've got the light on, it just gets so hot in this room. So I have to open the window, get a breeze in, and I can't have the fan going on because it's just like moves the hair too much. Lately I haven't been wanting to wear makeup, so I've just been like wearing a bit of mascara and lipstick. I really just, the basics I find is good enough, but at the moment, why am I whispering? Like, why should I care what those people think outside? I don't know, but it's like peaceful neighborhood. But yeah, I just feel like not wearing a lot of makeup at the moment, but today, because I'm recording, I like filled in my eyebrows, and then I realized like I don't like it. I don't like my filling. I don't like filling in my eyebrows anymore. I just feel like they look really chunky and like ugh. So yeah, story of my life. I'm so happy with it. It turned out amazing. Now I've seen all the blonde, I'm actually really tempted to just get a colour remover and remove the rest of the blue from the loose hair and then have like the blue dreads. Like, it's really tempting. I feel like going into town now and buying some hair colour remover. I love the way the blonde looks, it's so pretty. It just looks amazing. I'm really happy with it. It looks so nice with the light blonde going into the blue, like ombre. So what I'm thinking of doing to make up for the hair that I cut off on the sides, I was planning on putting a couple tape-in hair extensions just under here, just to kind of make it a little bit more fuller on the sides like this, and then obviously dye them to match my hair. I think it looks cute as well when I've got my hair tied up. Ombre! Ombre! Well, my bangs have grown out almost. I'm just waiting a couple more inches, I think, maybe in about 6 weeks. And probably about 6 months until my hair grows to the length it was before I cut it. I don't know, I was like, oh yeah, it's a good time for a change. Oh, let's give myself a haircut. Oh yeah, I cut like this much off, and now I'm like, why? Why? I just miss the fullness on the sides here because I cut it to here and it was like here. So why did I do this to myself? And there we go guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, go subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.